Hello everyone. I'm here again with another unboxing from Yoseka Stationery. I've actually already unboxed it. It's just a little easier these days to go ahead and take everything out of the box than to do that on camera, because I do want to make sure that I'm washing my hands after I open packages and all of that. So I'm just going to show you the contents. I already took out the little note that came with it, and here's the sticker, which I'm also going to put to the side. So this was a pretty small order. I only got a few things this time. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see that better. So I got this stamp pad, which is a permanent oil-based stamp pad. I'd never seen this brand before, because Yoseka Stationery does get quite a few products directly from Japan. So this is called, oh boy, I'm probably going to totally botch this, Shachihata? Shachihata? That is what this is called. So I figured I'm always on the lookout for a new permanent stamp pad, so I will try this one and see if I like it. It's definitely in a nice little package, made in Japan. Okay, so I'm going to put that off to the side there. And then the bulk of the order is these two Sarasa Grand gel pens. And I have seen these in a couple of other places. I think they came out fairly recently, but they sold out super fast, so I wasn't able to actually get them from the other places, and then luckily Yoseka started carrying them. So I ordered the purple one, which is actually Bordeaux purple, and then the yellow one, which is camel yellow. And the ink is the same as the color of the pen, and it looks like there's a little pull-off thing. Okay, this is going to make some noise, so I can get that one out. And then I'm going to do the same to the other one. Just enough to get it out. Oh, and these are actually they're nice. They have a little bit of heft. They have the same kind of clip that the cheaper Zebra Sarasa pens have. Yeah, these are quite lovely, actually. And so let me see. I'm going to take the note that they wrote good on the back and do a little tester of these. Oh, and then they always have that little ball over the tip there, which I can throw away. And these are, what is the size? I believe these are 0.5. Let's see, yes, 0.5. So going to zoom in even a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's super pretty. Super pretty in the yellow. And then I'm going to try the purple, which also has the little tip on there, which I will just take off real quick. All right. Oh, and you'll see these right away. Like there's absolutely no lag time. Yeah, so those are really nice. Just based on that quick use of them there, I would definitely recommend these. And these are refillable. And I think even the smaller plastic ones are refillable. And then that's the refill there. And I would hope that I can get the same colors in a refill. All right, so that's all for today. Just a really quick unboxing of a few things that I got. And there you go. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Feel free to like and or subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.